How to fix your headset microphone is not working in Windows 11. So to fix your microphone not working, first open up your Start menu, search for the word Settings and click here. On the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security, and then you need to scroll down to the microphone and select this. Make sure the microphone access is turned on like you see here. Make sure Let Apps Access Your Microphone is switched on. And then also make sure Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is switched on as well. You can then close out of this window. Right-click on the volume icon at the bottom of the page and press Sound Settings. Now next to Output, this is where you need to select where you want the sound to be playing out from. So this will usually be your speakers or your headphones. You can then scroll down to Input, and this is where you need to select your microphone. So this is sometimes different to where you want the sound to be played out from. Once you have your headset microphone selected, you could then scroll down to the volume and make sure this is turned up. You could then scroll all the way down to More Sound Settings, click on Playback, and this is where you want the sound to be playing out from. So make sure you have the correct speakers or headphones enabled, and you can also set these to the default device by pressing Set Default. Then click on the Recording tab, and this is where you need to go in enable your microphone on your headset. So if you have a headset like this, make sure it's enabled by right-clicking, and you can press the Enable button. You may also want to set this as your default device by clicking on it and pressing the Set Default button. Now finally, just right-click on your headset and press Properties. Click on Levels and just make sure the slider is turned up like so. You can then press Apply and OK. Now if it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your Start menu. Search for Device Manager and click on this window. Click on the drop down next to Audio Inputs and Outputs, and you need to select your headset from here. Once you found your headset, right click on it and press Update Driver. Press Browse My Computer for drivers and press Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now go and select one of these options and go and press Next. Once you've done this, you should now be able to use your microphone.